here we are, back again with y'all favorite vehicle. Got it closer to home now, but this engine just runs so smooth, man. It's like butter. Listen to it, just so smooth. It's developed a little shake. It ain't got no cats, so I don't think it's, getting a proper fuel reading. Oh, look at that, a distributor. It's been so long since I worked on a 5.7, man. I've learned some things driving it a short distance. I wanted to see if the AC worked. See if that compressor kick on. Nope. Compressor didn't kick on. Hopefully all it needs is Freon. I just wanted to bring it here because I didn't trust it where it was. We also programmed the fob. It worked out all right. The OBS, baby. Still got to get the basically this for the other side, but I'm gonna replace these headlights altogether. Period. Just replace them. I gotta replace this grill too because, of course, I bought a broken one. I gotta clean this joint out. Yeah, I forgot that the the actuator maybe messed up. That's why it doesn't work when you hit the lock button. Came with some pillows, but I've been advised to throw them away. I was gonna throw them away anyway. I wasn't fucking rocking out with these pillows. I am going to keep this laundry bag though. I gotta clean this joint out. I gotta get these doors out of here. I got 4 doors in here. I like this laundry bag though. Gotta take the small victories, man. Get these fucking blankets out of here. Y'all seen it. Got a lot of work ahead of us with her, but I think it'll be worth it, Door got rust on it too. It's just a little rusty little bucket, aren't you? Give her a shaky. We're gonna get all up under there. Check her out. The fuck were they doing right here? And they tried to paint that hole in it. This obviously used to have an antenna right there. Oh, they put tape right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that, man. Can't even tell. You can tell. Oh yeah, I did a control arm. I did the control arm on this side for this car today. But of course, I didn't record it because who needs to see someone do a control arm, man? You seen one, you seen them all. Gotta get this car gone, man. Hopefully within the next week, y'all won't see this car on my channel anymore. It's not a bad car, it's a good car, but I need to trade it for money. I need money for the car. Then I'll feel good. You dig? I gotta stop buying all these goddamn cars. That looks like a new part right there, maybe, maybe not. Maybe they replaced the condenser. Looks like it. We're gonna get all up in that thing though. We'll figure it out. Me and you, we'll figure it out. Peace.